Right, just wanted to show you the top of this. This is with the bonnet up. Okay. Sorry, it's a bit dark, but I just noticed to the right hand side here. If I put the camera right past here, you can actually see a pipe with some kind of I'm not sure if it's a sensor. It's leaked some oil out of there, and it's sitting down at the bottom there. But the oil level is quite normal. I've just checked that. But that pipe there, follow it up, it leads to this pipe here, which goes into the top. So not sure what that is exactly. And I'm just going to start the engine so you can see how much smoke is coming out the back. I'm just going to start the engine. Let me start the engine. As you can see, it's clean at the moment, but you can see there's quite a bit of oil residue. As you can see, there's quite a bit of oil residue around the edge. I don't know if that's a lot or not, or if that's normal. Anyway, I'm going to stop the film now and then restart it. I'll restart it once the smoke starts coming out. Okay, this is about 5 minutes into the driving. This is about 5 minutes worth of driving. And I think I've just noticed that I don't think the turbo's kicking in properly when I put my foot down, so not sure what that means. Okay, I'm sure the turbo has been affected as well.